Add. Bro, this thing is super rare. It's a dimple fidget spinner. Add. I decline. Thank you. This is actually really good, guys. Look at the video about it when I first got it. Ed, you slapped the phone out of my hand. Okay, next, offering for this ice cream squishy. Accept. Thank you. I got 2 frappuccinos.
My turn.
Oh, okay, go ahead.
Add. Accept. No.
You tell me. He just accepted for it. I know this is his favorite. Nah, I think that's mine now.
My turn.
I'm scared.
This actually, it's not a fidget, but Baby Yoda. Add. Accept.
Oh, my unicorn and my dinosaur. But I should do get Baby Yoda. Thank you. Wait, guys, hold on. I have an actually good offer to make since it's my turn now.
He sucks at trading, guys.
I don't. Ow. I smashed my finger. I'm gonna share my Apple pencils actually. Where's the thingy at? Mom. Where is it at? I'm just gonna put it in here. Close it. Hold on, guys. Sorry, I had to put y'all down. Right in there. Do you have an iPad? I'm actually gonna see because I don't even use it. I actually don't use this.
Really?
I actually don't. I'm not playing. I will actually give it to you.
Really?
I'm offering for that pencil. Wait. I'll tell you what I want, okay? I'll take that rainbow. Take this puppet.
Okay.
The dinosaur, the unicorn, the mermaid tail, and the dolphin. So this one, that one.
I heard none of it, so have all of it.
Okay. There you go.
Yes.
Guys, we're gonna be fidget trading, and I have a surprise for Noah. Okay, so what's your offer? Wait, no, I will offer this Apple Pencil. Wait, hold on. Okay, I got a surprise for you for an offer. So what do you offer for that?
Okay.
This is the real Apple Pencil on the line.
That.
You need to add.
All of this. I've been wanting that since I was born.
Would you like to add this too? And yeah, that's it. What about that simple dimple? Where's that at? Where is my simple dimple at? Oh, thank God. Okay. Well, here you go. Thank you.
Oh my God.
The slime's opened. Where's the lid? Before you open that. Where's the lid? Oh, it's right here. Okay. Thank you.
Oh my gosh. I've been waiting this since I was a crown.
Is Is this what you were looking for? Is this what you actually wanted? Is that what you wanted?
Yes.
You laughing at me? What are you doing?
Videoing you.
What? What are you laughing at?
Nothing.
Pop in. Nito, where are you? Nito, where are you? Are you under my bed?
Look at that sock.
I know you have it. You're not gonna give up?